Hi kids, welcome to your English class. And I'm your digital teacher and mentor Ananya. And once again, I am back with a new lesson of your book, that is lesson number 8, this, that, these and those. So, what are we waiting for? Let's begin this interesting journey. Before we proceed, here we have a quick warm-up exercise. Let's do it. Look at the pictures and read the sentences. यहाँ कुछ पिक्चर्स दिए हैं, आपको उन पिक्चर्स को ध्यान से देखना है और साथ ही जो सेंटेंसेस दिए गए हैं, ये जो एसोसिएटेड सेंटेंसेस हैं, इनको ध्यान से पढ़ना है. So let's begin with picture number 1. Here you can see a picture of book. Is this your book? Yes, this is my book. Is that your book? Yes, that is my book. क्या आपने एक चीज ऑब्जर्व की? जब बुक पास में है तो हमने दिस वर्ड का यूज किया और जब बुक हमसे काफी ज्यादा दूर है तब हमने दैट का यूज किया. लेट्स मूव टू द सेकेंड पिक्चर. यू कैन सी dolls are kept over here. Are these dolls? Yes, these are dolls. Are those dolls? Yes, those are dolls. Again, आपने देखा कि यहाँ पर जब एक से ज़्यादा यानी many, more than one objects are kept over here. यहाँ पे 2 dolls हैं यानी कि एक से ज़्यादा. So हमने these word का यूज़ किया है क्योंकि ये दोनों डॉल्स हमसे काफ़ी पास हैं. पर जब यही दोनों डॉल्स हमसे दूर रखी हुई हैं तब हमने दोज वर्ड का यूज़ किया है. ओके, दिस एंड दैट आर यूज्ड फॉर वन पर्सन और थिंग. दीज एंड दोज आर यूज्ड फॉर मोर देन वन पर्सन और थिंग. तो वार्म अप एक्सरसाइज के थ्रू ये क्लियर है कि दिस और दैट दो ऐसे शब्द हैं जो हम वन पर्सन या वन थिंग के लिए यूज करते हैं, यानी सिंगुलर पर्सन या सिंगुलर थिंग्स के लिए यूज करते हैं. इसी तरीके से दीज एंड दोज ये ऐसे 2 शब्द हैं जो हम प्लूरल के लिए यूज करते हैं, यानी अगर बहुत सारे लोग या बहुत सारी चीजें हैं तब हम दीज या फिर दोज का यूज करेंगे. दिस एंड दीज आर यूज्ड फॉर अ पर्सन और थिंग नियर बाय, यानी दिस और दीज इन दोनों शब्दों का यूज किसी भी ऐसे इंसान या वस्तु के लिए किया जाएगा जो हमारे नजदीक है, हमारे पास है. ओके, दैट एंड दोज are used for people or things located at a distance. That और those ये 2 ऐसे शब्द हैं जिनका इस्तेमाल हम तब करते हैं जब एक से ज़्यादा यानी कई सारे लोग या कई सारी चीज़ें हमसे दूर रखी हुई हैं. ओके, लेट्स take the help of some examples to understand this concept in a better way. Look here. A picture of mug is given. Is this a mug? Yes, this is a mug. Then we have a picture of ball. Is this a bat? No, this is not a bat. This is a ball. अब देखो 2 मग का नंबर इंक्रीज हो गया. Now it is no more 1. Now this is more than 1. तो डिस्टेंस भी इंक्रीज हो गया. देख रहे हो, पहले पास में था, अब डिस्टेंस इंक्रीज हो गया. Are those mugs? क्या वो मग है? Yes, those are mugs. Are these pencils? पास में है ना? No, these are pens. अब देखो यहाँ पे birds हैं तो ये थोड़ा दूर है. Are those butterflies? No, those are birds. So I hope children you have understood how to use this, these, that and those in different sentences. So now it's time to test yourself. Let's start with exercise A. Look at each picture and then answer. You have to look carefully to all the pictures. Then you have to answer the questions. Is this a kite? क्या ये kite है? No. No, this is a bat. And put a full stop. Next, is that a duck? Yes, that is a duck. Is that a crow? No, that is a parrot. Next, is this a chair? But this is not a chair, it's desk. So we are going to write no, this is a desk. Full stop. Next, is this a duck? No, this is a hen. Put a full stop. The last one, is that a rat or a cat? So यहाँ हमें yes no नहीं करना है, हमें सिर्फ identify करना है. तो हम क्या लिखेंगे? That is a rat. And put a full stop. So children, I hope you have understood how this exercise has to be done. I have done the first 6 for you. The remaining 2 you would be doing on your own. Alright. Now it's time to move further. We come to exercise B. Look at each picture and fill in the blanks. So we need to again observe the pictures given over here and then fill them one by one. So let's do it quickly. सबसे पहले pictures हैं oranges की. Are these oranges? Yes, these are oranges. And put a full stop. Next, birds are given. Are those birds? Yes, those are birds. Now see, are those erasers? Yes, those are erasers. Are these ink pots? Yes, these are ink pots. And put a full stop. Are these ducks? क्या ये ducks हैं? No. No, these are rockets. Are those chairs? क्या ये chairs हैं? No, those are tables. So in this way, you have to observe every picture and then answer accordingly. Some I have done for you, the remaining you have to do on your own. So do try them out. Now it's activity time. Draw fruits near the boy and a basket far away from him. So these are fruits. So you have to draw fruits in this space. That is a basket. तो यहाँ थोड़ा दूर आपको एक basket draw करना है इस space में. So I hope you are going to enjoy doing this activity. Draw a neat and beautiful diagram and color it nicely. So with this, we are done with the topic of this, that, these and those. I hope children, you have understood the concept clearly and now you know how to use them correctly. So with this, I am your teacher signing off for today. I will meet you again with some new videos of your book. So stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Till then, bye bye.